This is my DIY camera slider, version 1. It is one axis and motorized with a unique feature built in that I'll explain a bit later in the video. The slider can be placed on a tripod, but 2 is preferred for the extra stability. During power up, the slider moves until it hits the first limit switch. Then it goes the other direction until it hits the other limit switch. This way, the slider knows the workable distance it has and where it is within it. There are 3 modes: free control, timed run, and time-lapse mode. The free control mode uses an encoder knob to control the speed and direction in real time. In timed run mode, I select whether to start on the motor side or the idler side, and then select the speed and acceleration. Then, it runs at a set parameter from one end of the slider to the other. The time-lapse mode is the unique feature. It has the ability to control the camera shutter with a remote shutter cable. By synchronizing the shutter time and the time between the slider movement, I can create motion time-lapse. Moving objects will appear blurry while stationary object won't, as the time-lapse moves in a linear motion. The camera slider was designed in SOLIDWORKS using stock parts like this linear rail and stepper motor. These are parts that I can easily obtain on Amazon. Other parts were printed using a standard FDM 3D printer using the ABS material. The electronics system uses my custom-made Arduino Mega board that I call Arduino. The Arduino itself was designed and made so I can play around with different electronic components like servo motors, stepper motors, Bluetooth module, radio module, and etc. while having to deal with the messy wirings on a breadboard. Yuck. The PCB was designed in EasyEDA and manufactured by JLC PCB. I hand soldered the components when the PCB arrived. There are a few things I don't like about the slider in this version. The slider can easily backdrive the motor when it's not powered on. The timing belt can easily lose tension and thus reduce repeatability in the positioning. The free control mode is jittery, as seen here. This might have something to do with the code and the limitation on the Arduino's processing speed. There are also other features I would like to add in the next design iteration. More axes of control like pan, tilt, and roll. Better cable management. Another thing I'm looking at and that I'm also learning is using Altium designers for my future PCB designs. Altium Designer offers an opportunity for better MCAD ECAD integration with SOLIDWORKS, where EasyEDA doesn't have any MCAD ECAD integration at this moment. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video and thanks for watching.